Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through a really cool project I built. It's a full-featured library borrowing system made with Python and PySide6. This app is a part of my personal portfolio, and I built it to simulate how a small library or school might manage books, borrowers, and returns without needing an internet connection or a cloud service. Why a desktop app? Well, not all systems need to be online. Sometimes you just want something lightweight, offline, and ready to go, especially for use in schools, classrooms, or small community libraries. Let me quickly show you the key files in the folder. So when you open the library app folder, you have here the library app.exe. It is the main application. No need to install anything, just run it. And we have the books.csv, which contains a list of books for import, and the borrowers.csv, which contains records of borrowers and which books they borrowed. So let me just open our .exe. Let's double click it. Click OK. And it will take you to this interface. We have here on the left panel the books, and then the middle borrowers, and we have here the book info and the borrower profile. Keep in mind that we don't import borrowers before books. When you do that, it will give you this missing books message. Please import books first before importing borrowers. So that is because borrowers are linked to specific book IDs, and if the books aren't there yet, things can break. So always import books first. So let's do that. And I already gave you this file. You open that. It will tell you how many books are imported and how many it skipped. Click OK. And now we can import books or borrowers, sorry. So there. Once your books are loaded, clicking on any rows shows the book details on the right, including the title, author, and publication info. If there's no cover image available, it shows a default placeholder to keep things looking neat. You can also manually add a new book. So let's say gardening. Just sorry. Page count 156, and then MA publishing. Let's just say September. Six. You can add a cover if there's an available cover. Otherwise, let's click save. So when you search it, say you want to search it by title, gardening, so it's here. and it has this information. Okay, if you want to make a change, just, do what I did. Search for the book and then click this row and then click the added book. Say I want to change the date. Save. So when you search that again, it changes the date, publish date. You can also delete the book. Say this book here is entered by mistake. You can actually delete it by clicking delete book, and it will ask you to confirm if you really want to delete this book. So in my case, I want to delete it, so I will click yes. And if you search it again, it's not there anymore. So we have all these on the top. It's a filter system built in. You can search for books by title or rating. Say I want 3 and below. It will give you all those books with 3 and below rating. And you can clear the filters anytime by clicking this button. This is super helpful when you're working with big lists. So the middle section here shows the borrowers table. Everyone who borrowed a book, their borrow date, any late fees, and the title they borrowed. When you click on a borrower, say Alex Adams, you will see that their profile loads on the right, including the name, email, and then phone number, and then the address, and all the books they borrowed. If no avatar is uploaded, there's a default avatar that is used instead. You can also delete or edit a borrower. So you want to edit Drew Brown, you just click edit and then edit that one and then click update. If you want to delete Drew Brown, just click this one and it will ask you if you really want to delete that borrower. In my case, no. So as you can see here, Alex Adams, the one that we clicked initially, has 2 books. He borrowed 2 titles. One is borrowed and the other one is overdue. And he has a total fee of $42. Now, the calculation here is, this is just some arbitrary number that I used. It's $1.5 per day late. That's the calculation that I used. So it's shown here that it's overdue. So when the book is returned, you just click this return. For the fee, since it's not overdue, you cannot click it here. No, it will not function because it's not overdue. Same thing with the fee is paid. If it's overdue, you can just click it like that. After you do that, you just hit confirm status changes, and then the app updates everything. It will be you will be given a message. Alex Adam has returned all books and paid all fees, so it has been removed from the active list. Now here's the cool part. Once a borrower is cleared, you can print a receipt as a PDF. It includes the borrower's info, all the books they returned, and even the cover images. It's great for documentation or just handling handing someone a summary of their borrowing history. So to do that, just click print receipt. It says here that the receipt is saved to receipts Alex Adam receipt PDF. When you look at your um, library app, this is the one you downloaded. Automatically it will create the receipts folder, and then when you open it, there's the receipt for Alex Adams. So this is the amount that paid, and then it says there, thank you for using the library. Okay, I've packed in a lot of features already. Importing data, filtering, editing, receipts, and full tracking. But in the future, I'd love to add a dashboard with total books, late borrowers, etc., support for multiple copies of the same title, export filter data to CSV, maybe even user roles like a librarian logging in. You can try this app yourself. The .exe and sample data files are available for download on my website. Click the link in the description. So, thanks so much for checking this out. I built this as part of my portfolio and I really enjoyed working on it. If you like this kind of project walkthrough, consider liking and subscribing, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd add next. See you in the next video.